Hello students, Devashish again from Dev's Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Dev's Learning Hub, and the same name Dev's Learning Hub, my Facebook page too. Right. B. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta equals to cos theta, find the value of tan square theta plus cos square theta minus 2. Right? Find the value. Very simple, right? Sin theta equals to cos theta. Will you convert this tan theta and cos theta into sin theta cos theta, or you will find the tan theta value from here directly? That is why the question. So better to do it. Sin theta equals to cos theta means sin theta by cos theta equals to 1. That means tan theta equals to 1. If tan theta equals to 1, cot theta equals to 1. So tan square theta plus cot square theta equals to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. But if you convert into sin theta cos theta, the problem will be bit, you can do it, but it will be a bit longer and complicated. So it is very simple one. That is how you need to practice how to capitalize your knowledge by practicing so many problems, right? But there are different ways you can solve the problem. So 21b, sin theta equals to cos theta, that means tan sin theta by cos theta equals to 1, that means tan theta equals to 1. That is how it is already given. Now you need to evaluate tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. So if tan theta equals to 1, tan square theta equals to 1. If tan theta equals to 1, cot theta equals to 1. So cot square theta 1 minus 2. That means that is equals to 0. This is what your answer it is. Okay. Another MCQ is sec square theta, question number 8. Sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to, find out answer any of these two, A, B, C, D. Which one is true? Right? So will you convert this sec and cosec into 1 by sin and sec into 1 by cos? No. Sec square straight away, just always remember the formula. Sec square theta minus 1 means sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So if sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Similarly, from cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. So tan square theta into cot square theta. That means cot is 1 by tan theta. So tan square theta into cot square theta equals to 1. So your answer will be D. So sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 means cot square theta. Tan square theta into cot theta means 1 by tan theta. So tan square theta into cot square theta is equals to 1. That means answer B. This is what your answer. Number 1. This is your answer. 22b, if sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0, then find the value of sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Very typical type of problem you need to remember that, because if you convert this sin to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta, you need to find out the value. You will stand nowhere if you convert sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta. Because if you convert sin to the power 4 theta to cos to the power 4 theta, or if you go by formula a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, so in any case you cannot get rid of sin and cos, but you need to find out the value. So what you need to do in that case, you need to find out the value of theta. Then only you can replace this sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta with a value. You can find out the value. So if sin theta equals minus cos theta equals to 0, that means sin theta by cos theta equals to 1. That means tan theta equals to 1. That means theta equals to 45 degree. So if theta equals to 45 degree, that means sin to the power 4 theta means sin 45 degree whole to the power 4. So sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4 means 1 by 4 plus cos to the power 4 theta. That means 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4. Cos to the power 4 45 degree 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4. That means 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, that is equals to half. So sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0, that is given. That means sin theta equals to cos theta, that means tan theta equals to 1, that is equals to tan 45 degrees. So theta equals to 45 degree. That is already given. Now you have theta equals to 45 degree. So sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. You replace the theta with 45 degree. So sin 45 degree whole to the power 4 plus cos 45 degree whole to the power 4. इसका बाद क्या हो रहा है? So sin 45 degree means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4 means 1 by 4 plus 1 by root 2 whole to the power 4 cos 45 degree also, right? So 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means half. So this is what your answer. So if you really understood the problems, so repeatedly what I say, you look into the problem, you think once and then you start the problem, right? So if you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to have this kind of video again and again, both the lecture session where you will clear up your funda and then the problem solving either from books or from the board exam question papers. If you are interested to have this kind of video again and again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Dev's Learning Hub, and also follow my Facebook page, Dev's Learning Hub. Thank you very much.